Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this is exciting times. There's so many new radios coming on the market, especially during the holidays right now. And this one is very interesting. It's the PRUNUS J-750S. It sells for $27 on Amazon. It's AM, FM, shortwave, MP3 player, and Bluetooth, everything. And as you can see, it's got this lighting effect. Stereo, and you can change the lighting effect by pushing this button right here. It's got, there we go, I had to hit it twice. It's got 10 different modes. If I hit it twice, go to the next one. There we go. Not going to show you all 10, but I'll show you a couple of them. And of course, don't know if I can get there. Let me see if I can get there. If you go through all 10 of them, then it shuts it off. So if you're listening to the radio and trying to get to sleep, you can just shut it off. That's a nice feature that you can shut it off. And initially, when I turned the radio on, I'm like, there's no lights like it's in the advertisement. Then I did something unusual. I read the manual. Got to push this button here twice. Okay. The bands, the FM is 87 to 108 USA. AM is 530 to 1710. And the shortwave is 5.9 to 18 megahertz. The telescopic antenna is, gosh, I measured a few minutes ago and I forgot already. It's about 20 inches. And the radio is about 8.5 by 5, by about 3 inches. Got a carrying handle that will go down, but you have to put the telescopic antenna down before the handle will go down. Uses a rechargeable 18650 battery, which is 1800 milliamps. It has USB charging. There's your charging cable. It has a solar panel, and it's a little larger than normal. Look at the size of that solar panel. Usually about half that size. And then your battery goes right here. That's the only kind of battery you can use. Okay. Let me put the telescopic antenna down, so then I can put the handle down. Then I can show you the top of the radio. So here's the power indicator. This is the TF card, USB card. This is the controls for playing music. And it has the TWS mode, where you can get 2 of these radios and have it music and everything coming out of 4 speakers. This is your mode select, music, bands, FM, AM, shortwave. There's your tuning dial right here. Okay, nothing on this side, nothing on this side. So if you want to charge it, you have to plug in the top to charge it. The lights are optional, like I said, and there's 10 different modes. Unfortunately, the tuning dial is not backlit. Although you can read it real easy, the indicator dial is red on black background. Kind of difficult to see. I wish they would have at least made that a light color, like white or light blue or something. Make it much easier to read. Alrighty, let's set it down here. Let me my notes. Whoops! I kicked the camera. There we go. Show's over. My notes were flying all over the place. That's my excuse for delaying. Let's go to the FM band very quickly. We'll put up the antenna and we'll turn the volume back up and we'll tune real quickly. We're at the top of the band. And of course there's music. And music.
Thanksgiving this year.
There you go.
Is your daughter and son-in-law cooking Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving is the holiday that they do with his side
Plenty of volume.
Gotcha. So no, you pick up a pre-made Thanksgiving dinner from somewhere and bring it home?
And what they say in their ad is, this is stereo. Now, my poor ears, I can't detect stereo mono. So I can't prove that right or wrong.
They, purchase the sides.
Oh, yeah. Picking up a lot of music. I'm sorry I have to go so fast, but there's so much music. Let's go to AM. Maybe there's not so much music. Tuning is very smooth.
Is this your story too?
The proceeding is sponsored by Through the Bible Incorporated.
Yeah.
And is a pre-recorded
Wants to be that way.
To learn more,
Stations are that way.
Support this great ministry, visit throughthebible.org.
Yeah.
That's throughthebible.org.
Hey, Fox Tampa, you've been listening to
Well,
Through the Bible with Dr.
Put this way.
McGee on this Thursday morning.
You get quality and may have changed, but your goals are
horrified.
Picking up a lot of stations.
This is with
yeah.
Funny.
I'm only less than halfway through the band. Picked up lots of stations. So AM and FM, very sensitive. Now I tried shortwave about 4 o'clock this morning and didn't receive anything. And it has muting while tuning. So, but these small radios with their short antenna, you're going to have to add a long wire antenna connected to this. There's no antenna jack, so you just clip it on to this. I will do a test with my long wire. It's about 12 foot. It's not very long. Ideally, you want 20 feet or more, but then you have to go outside, most likely. Okay, let's see. And this really looks nice. As I said, it comes with the USB and it comes with a manual, which, once again, PRUNUS is listening to me. It's big print. I can read it without my glasses. Nice. That's about it. If you have any questions, please ask. I typically try to keep my shows under 15 minutes, best case under 10, because I know they can get boring. So I try to keep them short. And if you need more information, just ask. I'll even do a separate video if you have something you want me to test or whatever. Thanks for watching. Let me play you some more music from the YouTube free library. Go to music. Track forward. Change the color scheme. Lots of different colors. Lots of bass. Of course, it doesn't sound as good on my camera recording as it does live. It sounds tremendous, awesome live, but my camera, yeah, it doesn't do such a good job on audio. All right, that's about it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. And I want to thank PRUNUS for sending me this radio. Again, you can get it off of Amazon right now. Or I'm going to put this in my Amazon store, and you can use the link in the description below each video to go to my store. If you buy something, anything, even birdseed, I get a small commission. I use that commission entirely to buy more things to show you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.